You know, in Christian terms, they use these big fancy words called dispensation. But dispensation just simply means an era which God is working. And I think in this era or this dispensation that he's working right now, I feel so strongly about this, that God is so tired of elevating people whose character can't support the talents that he's given them. And then in the long run, it makes a mockery of. You know, I mean, I don't mean to throw darts at anyone, but we live even in the evangelical community, you read stories there, you know, very well-known ministers who have moral failures, cheat on their wives, and they don't even sit themselves down. It's like they take a 2-week sabbatical and they keep it moving, and that sends the wrong message to the congregation. And I truly believe, and I hate this, and I'm sure you do as well, I think that God is, for lack of a better word, he's challenging us a little bit more, or refining us is a better choice of words, a little bit deeper than perhaps he has our predecessors, because you see the collateral damage that can occur when someone's talent takes them to a place that their character can't support them. And I mean, we see well-known politicians, well-known athletes, and, you know, I was thinking about you as it relates to just the character development process and some of the rejections or the times that you didn't get the role, because we truly believe that, you know, when you get an Oscar, we don't want you sitting up there with your boo talking about you're redefining marriage and and you know, you don't believe in a traditional marriage, and you know, some of the crazy things you hear, or sometimes you hear rappers and they're talking about, they open up with, I want to give a shout out to God, and all their songs are misogynistic, and they're about just very little respect for women. So I think that particularly if you're experiencing delay, or it seems like there is your moment hasn't come, just stay engaged in the process. Don't jump off the operating table before the Lord has conducted surgery.